The robin is very popular on Christmas cards, but a robin is not just for Christmas, it's with us all the year round, and throughout the British Isles. If you're out in the garden, and especially if you're digging,
Come on in, Fatso.
Or otherwise turning the soil over,
Come on in. It's a good boy.
you will generally be joined by a robin.
Are you looking for your tea? Eh? Or are you just posing for the camera?
Who knows a good bet
Are you just posing for the camera?
when he sees one.
Eh? Oh, you like that, did you? Where's he gone? Where have you gone now? Oh, there you are. Go on then. You're not pinching my pea seeds, are you? Eh? You're not pinching my pea seeds, are you, Fatso? Eh?
Without getting too anthropomorphic, you can almost have a conversation with a robin, or at least an interchange of noise.
Who's a pretty boy? You been a good boy today? Eh? You want to turn around this way? It's a good boy. Who's a good boy? What are you looking for? Eh? What are you looking for? You know. You're not going to say. Right.
In a wintry spell, when food is hard to find, you can get a robin to come onto your hand for food, but I've never succeeded in this. When Victorian postmen took to wearing red waistcoats, they became known as robins. A robin is a cheery friend to have around. Robins and swans, like those we saw in The Swans Part 3, are about the only birds that will see a friendly human as a useful thing to be around.
I can see up there, Fatso. Who's a good boy?